Got 3 more minutes, girl. 3 more minutes. All right, it's 8 o'clock. Let's do this. You guys ready? Come on.
Come on now, I can't get there.
We're gonna start off at the public that we started off last time, where we had all the birds. Go girl heaven. Then we're gonna work over to some other public. Maybe get some private in today. Go girl. Rooster! Nice shot!
Yeah, bird. Good job, Sage. Get it. Good girl. Good girl, Sage.
Good girl, Sage.
Good girl.
Nice.
Ah, no.
Good girl.
Good girl, Sage. Good girl.
Nice. Wing shoot it.
Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah,
Good girl, Saki. Good girl. Good girl, Saki. Good girl.
One bird, one down.
Yep. 5 to go.
Oh, nice.
Good.
Girl, man.
Good job shooting.
Girl, yeah. Girl, yeah.
Hen. Alright, so we got one. My dad did. Dad, sorry about touching your butt. Nah, he's dead. Nice little bird there. Nice little tail feather.
Smoked that one breast pretty good.
A little younger. Small spurs, but pretty bird. Got one down, 5 to go. All right, we got some private land that we're gonna hunt today. We're gonna give her a try, see if we get any birds out of it. So let's do this. Come on, Sage. Come on, find the bird. Find the bird. Come on. Come on, Sage. Come on. Come on, Sage. Come on. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's a pretty bird. Sheesh. And an old one. See, those are the spurs you look for. That's an old bird. another big walk for one bird. Are you going out? I shot him twice. While he was falling, I shot him again because I didn't want him to run. He was dead. Look at that tail feather. That's an old bird. All right, show you this old bird here. Maybe. Sick, stuck in there. There he is. There you go, look at that tail feather. That's a pretty one. And then you look at them spurs. That's what you're looking for. That's an older bird. So we're done with this spot. We're at our shooting. Well, our birds coming in is one bird per 1 hour. It's gonna be a long day. Just kidding. All right. This is our other private. Starting to get warmer out. So we'll hunt this one. Go get some heat.
Down here. Don't leave you. Walk straight. Walk straight.
Bring it here, Heaven. Heaven, bring it here. Heaven, bring it here. Good girl. Come on. Heaven, come on. And Heaven, bring it here.
Can't shoot that way, only to the right.
Come on, Heaven. Hey. Bring it here. Come on.
Hey,
Heaven.
hey.
Nice.
Walking that edge now, okay? That's a real good scent. You push him right up on that edge.
Yeah. So this is a little bit harder of some land to hunt. Surprised we got the one because we got corn still up. When you have corn, we have horrible luck usually because they just run on us straight to the corn. But we're in CRP right now, and then you got the corn. So I got this corner, my brother got that corner, my dad's working the middle with the dogs. So hopefully we'll get into some more. Just need one more now. All right, sounds good. Well, you want me to walk this side? Yeah. All right. I don't know what that was. Dad, I think one just booked it on me.
Yeah.
Sage.
Yo, Sage.
Come on, Sage. Oh. Oh. There were some ducks. I was just thinking maybe I was gonna get into some mallards there for a second. Where'd they go? Have to keep my eye out for that. All right, got my limit again. So now we gotta get my father's and then hopefully get Malachi his first bird. It'd be cool if that happens today. This is his first year. He bought a shotgun. So you never know. So I'm probably gonna pull out my camera. I'll have my shotgun with me and I'm walking with him still. But we gotta get my dad his limit. So stay tuned now. Maybe I should be close to the water.
Yeah, we're going down there.
Switch you, Malachi. I'm gonna switch you. I might shoot some mallards. Got myself a nice woody little bonus bird, drake. Get the bird, Heavy. Get the bird. Get the bird, Heaven. Come on. Come on. You got it, Heaven. Get it. Come on. Come on. Get the bird. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here, Heavy. Good girl, Heavy. Good girl. Good girl, Heavy. Good girl, Babas. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Bonus bird. Wow. All right. Show you guys. That's a good one right there. Beautiful bird. Gotta get the one in my back. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, I broke his tail feather. Nice. Good bird. And then, bonus bird. Drake Woody. Beautiful bird. Now that is a very beautiful bird.
Yep.
All right, girls, one more time. And then we're done. Ready, Sage? One more time. Okay, be ready.
Get it here. We're in.
That's on.
Got a shot still. Already flew, Evan.
What are you doing?
All right.
Hands. Good girl. Did you scare them? And it scared you? Huh? A lot of roosters in here now. Just trying to fill my dad's tag. Got a few more birds, 2 birds. So, come on, Rudy's. And then we hopefully get Malachi's first rooster. She's so aggressive. Rooster!
I was not ready. I'm braiding all the birdies.
Right, so we got a whole bunch of that, and then the bonus bird, Woody. So we're gonna get these babies cleaned up. All right, everybody, that was an awesome hunt today with my father and Malachi. Malachi didn't end up getting his pheasant, and my father didn't end up finishing his limit. So what today I'm gonna do is I am going to take the breast from the pheasant. So I'm gonna vacuum seal the legs, because I think next video for a catch and cook, I'll do one of my leg recipes, so if you guys want to try that. So we're gonna do, my dad usually does this and it tastes pretty good, so I'm gonna attempt to do it myself, and that is chicken noodle soup. But instead of chicken noodle soup, we're doing pheasant noodle soup, and that's how you like it. And another reason that I like this stuff is because I like to meal prep for the week, and since I'm doing a slow crock pot meal, well, I should have some good old leftovers for the week. So let's get this started. So I got all the ingredients laid out. The one thing I did forget is celery. Hopefully that won't be a huge factor. I got some of my favorite seasonings here, so and then some stuff that you need to put into it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. I gotta get the pheasant cut up, not cut up, but I need to cut some of the fat off, some of the bruised meat and everything like that. Then it's time to get the easy part done, which is throw it in the crock pot. That's why I like crock pot meals. So I had the pheasant marinating all night in some salt water. Remove some of that blood out of there. They don't really have a lot of blood in there. And then the duck, I'll probably use it later on, because I like to do duck over rice. So that catch and cook's not going to be in this video. So let's get a knife here. Where's my favorite one? Right here. So one thing I like to do, let me go ahead and show you. I'll zoom in real quick. All right, I'm going to show you what I look for when I'm cleaning these pheasants. So right here, this yellow, I just trim that little fat off and discard of that, so you're not wasting a lot of meat. And then if there's not like that, I'm not too worried about, but like this one right here, you got that big old bullet wound right there. That's still not too bad, so I won't discard of that. Really, I'm just looking for that really dark yellow of fat, because that's where you're gonna get some of that gamey taste. But I don't think pheasant have a gamey taste. It's just a preference, and it looks more presentable. You get rid of that yellow. Bring your crock pot in. What I want to do is put the noodles in. My meat. My chicken stock. Veggies, which is just going to be carrots today. Put some seasonings in there. This is rosemary. And I'm not going to put salt, because salt, I got salted stock. So we need pepper. And then this is my favorite, one of my favorite rubs for just like chicken in general. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there too, just to add some different flavor. Again, this is, I'm trying to do it myself. Some thyme leaves. Tiny bit of lemon. And once you get that done, stir it all together. All right, stir it up. Now put it on low heat. Look at that. Cover it up. Be back in about 4 or 5 hours, maybe even sooner. So see you guys soon. All right, so chicken's done. I need to shred it. beautifulness. I should say pheasant. It's done. I just splattered that all over me. Alright. So give this baby a taste test. The sucker was pretty good. I mean, just the pheasant was good. But we're gonna give noodles, carrots, pheasant meat. Beautiful right there. That's really good. That's really, really good. So I did a few more spices. I threw in some Slappy Mama because I wanted some spice to it. That's one thing I feel like a lot of stuff, like a lot of chicken noodle soup misses, is some spice. And so add in this black pepper that has a spice, and then the Slappy Mama add quite the kick that it needed. So this recipe is pretty good. So I mean, I've had it before at my dad's, but I did it myself this time and I did good. So hope you guys like this kind of videos and the catch and cooks, I should say, because there's gonna be more. Next time I think I'm gonna use the legs for you guys, and I'll use the gizzards, and we're gonna do another catch and cook. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. So thank you all for watching today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.